Hello guys, today I'm going to show how to add integers and how to calculate difference between integer in Excel sheet. For this I'm going to write 1 2. Okay, if you write 1 2 and scroll it down, then it will automatically give you know such kinds of number, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now I'm going to add it with 4 5 and I'm going to scroll it down. This is just for example. Okay, by this way. Now this is column 1. I'm going to insert it. This is column 1. Okay, C1, and this is column 2, C2. Now sum is column 1 plus column 2. Okay, that's why I'm going to click equals to and write as u sum. Here is sum, and I'm going to add this one and this one. Okay, click OK. So sum of C1 and C2 for first row is 1 plus 4 equals to 5. Now I am going to scroll it down. It will automatically generate total sum. Okay, now how to calculate differences. Again give equals to, and for differences I am going to calculate C2 minus C1. You can either calculate C1 minus C2, but this time I am going to calculate C2 minus C1. So I am going to select 4. First of all, we have to write difference, or either you can select 4, that is C2 minus C1. Now enter OK. The difference between C2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 is 3. Now I am going to scroll it down as that of previous one. Okay, now I am going to calculate total sum of all 4 column, that is C1 C2 sum column, difference column. Okay, for this I am going to click equals to, I am going to click sum. Okay, you can manually type open bracket and then select required column or required row, and then you can manually give close bracket. This also going to work to calculate total sum as well, but I'm going to adopt this approach to calculate sum because it is quite efficient. Sum it 66. Now I'm going to scroll it by this way. So this is also generate total sum. Okay, so by this way you can calculate sum and differences in Excel sheet in easy way. So I hope this video is very useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video till end.